Hey everyone, Mark here from thewindowcleaningstore.com. Today I want to show you a new product we have here at the store. It is the Edge rinse bar for water-fed brushes. The rinse bar measures about 9 inches wide, but due to its unique spray pattern, it will actually accommodate a brush up to about 14 inches. You see, the center jets will just do a straight stream out, but as you can see on the sides, they have these angular jets, so you get very wide coverage. Like I said, this would work up well on a brush as wide as 14 inches. Now here's what it would look like set up on the new Edge brush. So you see, it'll just spray a stream of water over the top of the brush. Now, because it is an Edge rinse bar going on an Edge brush, everything is set up perfectly that the block on the Edge brush already has holes pre-drilled to accommodate this. It's not to say that you can't use this on a third-party brush. I'm just going to show you here as an example. So here is a Xero hybrid brush. So if you were to use this here, it would go something like this here. So you see there's a spot for it. It just doesn't have the holes pre-drilled. So you would probably want to do that or use self-tapping screws. Probably best to pre-drill it. And you could certainly use this on a third-party brush such as the Xero hybrid. Now I'm going to show you just quickly the spray pattern that you get from this particular rinse bar. Like I said, you've got these side angled jets going out, and really helps put a lot of water on the glass. And the reason why you'd want to do that, of course, is if you got like a lot of hydrophobic glass where you need to get a better rinse. So that's definitely where you would use the Edge rinse bar. So I'd just like to wrap up today's video by answering a question I get asked occasionally, and that is whether or not you use both the rinse bar, that is the across the top rinse bar, and the inside jets at the same time. Really, it comes down to a couple things. One is obviously your preference, just how much water you want to get on the glass, but as well as can you supply it with enough water to do both. A lot of the guys are on RODI systems, and if they ever have a low pressure system, they're not going to have enough water flow for all these jets across here as well as the inside jets. But if you do have enough water flow, great. What you'll need to do is you'll need to get a Y connector and a couple pieces of tubing so that you can connect this all up. So you'd have the single in, that's your main water-fed line, and then splitting off to the Y, one in the bottom, one in the top. That will get you both the inside jets and the top jets. All right, thanks for watching.